Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create QR code for Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. And we can create QR code for albums, not for regular photos, but I will show you later. So let's do this for the album. You need to go to collections, then albums. After that, select album, what you wanna share. So if you already share, you need to click right here at the top, then add people and show QR code. Or maybe you not sharing this album, then click at the share icon at the bottom and again show QR code. Or maybe you have this button at the top in your album, share with link. Tap at this button, again add people and again show QR code. And this one is the same for iOS and for Android. Now if you try to send some photos using QR code, I select share, and as you can see right here, it not ask me to show me QR code. Let's select multiply photos. Maybe this one is changed, this situation, share, and as you can see, nothing, like right here also. And also let's check it on Android. So photos, then I want to share this photo, share, and no QR code. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.